Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate how to create an abstract WSL file. So I'm going to create a project first of all in Eclipse. So I'm going to take a dynamic web project to create the WSL abstract file. So here I'm going to give a project name. So for now I'm going to do a multiplication of project. So that I'm giving multiplication. I'm going to create the project with the name of multiplication. I'm going to finish here. So a project with name multiplication has been created. So this is the format which every WSL project will be contain. So I'm going inside the service. So under main. So there is a folder called web app. Inside that we have the main folder called web info. So here I'm going to create the file which is WSDL, which we're gonna create the application here. Whatever the operation we have to do, here we are going to do. So here this is the one which we are going to do. Inside this file we are going to create our requirements, like whatever the inputs which we have to give, whatever the output which we want to get, here we need to give. So I'm going to add in web services file here. So we have to go through the web services. Under that we have a WSDL file, so that I'm going to open. So this is the one which you have to open. So with the extension of .wsdl will be good to create here inside the WSDL project. So I'm creating a project called, I will create like shortcut name of mul with .wsdl. So this is a here we have a thing called HTML, HTTP and SOAP. We are going to with the SOAP UI, so that I'm going to finish it. So this is the way which we gonna get. So here this is the one which this is called as SOAP XML format. So the main format which be designed based on the input data which we are going to keep here in the design. For example, I am going to give the name it as multiplication. Okay, and here inside the multiplication I gonna give whatever the inputs which you have to give. I am going to give the inputs which we wanna have. Schema design. Okay, multiple WSDL. Here I'm going to give the integer one, int one, and the type as string one, integer. And the same I'm going to add the other element which we have to have complete the second element, right? So I'm adding the second integer. In order to complete it, I'm giving it int the type. So this is the main criteria which we have to do. And the response also we need to give here as the output response, and then the type of the response should be int, since because we have given the input as this both type of int only. So this is the main format which we need to follow. And while going to the source, this is the one which we are going to see the XML format. So here we have mentioned, like in the design, the first integer is named as int1 and the second integer are named as int2. So the output also we have named it as response, which is of integer type. The same will going to be in the source file, like the first element is int1 and second element will be int2, and the response will be cached here in the name of response. This is what the XML format will be given. So here the main thing in XML is it supports information exchange between the computer systems such as websites and database and third-party applications. So that this is the main criteria which we follow here in the WSL things. So this we're gonna take this response and we're gonna paste it in the notepad. This we can save it as a response of our project. Thank you all.